Shredding chicken or beef in our DFC line is simple if you use the right techniques, including preparing the meat correctly before shredding. Importance of fat and nerve removal. Removing fat and nerves is an important step in getting the perfect result. These serve as a kind of glue, preventing the fibers from being separated. Where there is fat or sinew, our shredders will not achieve the ideal shredding. That's why we recommend removing the pieces of sinew and fat before cooking the meat. Proper cooking of meat, chicken and pork. The correct cooking time is crucial to prepare the meat until its fibers are ready to be shredded. If the collagen between the fibers doesn't melt completely, pieces of the meat will stick together, preventing a perfect shredding. If the meat is undercooked, it will be tough and difficult to shred. If it is overcooked, it will be dry and tasteless. Defining the size of the fibers. Perfect shredding is only possible by separating the fibers correctly. This way, the dimensions of the shredding will be proportional to the dimensions of the fibers. For a smaller shredding, cut the meat, chicken or pork into pieces of the desired size before cooking, always perpendicular to the fibers.